Hi guys, Steph here. Right, and what have we got for your pleasure today? I'll tell you what we've got for your pleasure today. A gorgeous Conway Stewart number 27, made in England, in this absolutely stunning green hatch pattern. Now, the Conway Stewart number 27, I think I've actually shown you a silver hatch patterned one, and I've also shown you a standard black one as well. And this particular model, the 27, came in lots of different colours, some quite desirable like this hatch pattern, some plain sort of marbling colours, but yeah, they came in many different colours, so they're great pens to collect. This one, as you can see, nice and simple, is a lever fill fountain pen. You can see it's got the Conway Stewart lever there. While we're on the barrel, let's show you the barrel imprint. I think hopefully you'll be able to see it there. It says Conway Stewart 27, made in England. Okay, so it's got a nice clear imprint. The fact that the 27 is on the same line as the Conway Stewart indicates to us that this one is what they term as the late version, as I say, around about 1950s. You can see it comes with gold fill trim. It's got this lovely large cap band to the bottom of the cap there. We've got the very recognisable Conway Stewart clip, as you can see there, with the Conway Stewart diamond logo to the very top, and to the very top of the pen we've got this black peak stud, and the peak stud sort of matches the peaked end of the pen, as you can see there. So, as I say, an absolutely gorgeous pen. This one is a pen, a customer made an inquiry, asked me sort of basically, well, what I had available. I mentioned this one to him, and he said, oh, can I see it? So I thought I'd make a review and show him the pen close up. So the size of this pen as well is 130 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, it's just a tad under 12 millimeters in diameter. So as you can see, it's a lovely sized fountain pen. But the main thing, as I say, in my opinion, is this gorgeous green hatch pattern running all the way through the pen, as you can see. Absolutely gorgeous. Obviously it's been fully restored, everything been disassembled, everything internally has been cleaned. We've put a brand new sack in the pen, and yeah, it's ready to go. So let's show you the pen, you know, a couple of different angles for you. There we go, absolutely gorgeous. So let's take you up to the section. We've got the very typical Conway Stewart section there in black. It's got this slight ridge towards the nib, as you can see there, and then if we show you the nib, we've got a lovely Conway Stewart 14 karat gold nib, as you can see, very nice indeed. There's a sideways view, and underneath the very typical Conway Stewart feed, quite a plain feed. But as you can see, as always, everything is lovely and clean. So, even with my large hands, a nice, comfortable pen to hold and to write with. Now, because it may actually be going to somebody or to the customer, I won't fill the pen because I like to leave that pleasure to the new owners, and they can fill their pens up with their favourite ink. But what we'll do a dip test to see how the pen writes. So what we've got is a a Conway Stewart number 27, made in England and made around the 1950s. It's in this very desirable green hatch pattern. It's writing very nicely indeed, lovely smooth writer. Not really a flexy nib, which I wouldn't expect anyway. But there we have it. I would say writing with a medium line. As I said, writing very smoothly indeed. A lovely, lovely writer, as you would expect from a gorgeous pen like this. So there we have it. It's going to be a rather short one for today. The Conway Stewart number 27 in this very desirable green hatch pattern, gold filled trim, large cap band, in absolutely gorgeous condition. So let's leave it at that. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people out there. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Subscribe as well so you don't miss any videos. And don't forget people, that little thumbs up symbol just to the bottom, please press it. Give it a thumbs up if you will. But I'll just simply say Slava Ukraini, and from me and this gorgeous pen I'll just say bye bye for now.